Welcome to Skin and Health Hub, your home for natural beauty and simple DIY skincare that loves your skin back. Say goodbye to dry and cracked lips. Tired of covering them with lipstick? Constantly hiding your dry, cracked lips and feeling frustrated? Cracked lips aren't just uncomfortable. They can make lipstick look uneven and even feel painful. Many store-bought lip balms contain chemicals that only mask the problem. But nature has a gentle, effective solution that works from the first use. This all-natural remedy can hydrate, heal, and give your lips a fresh, soft look you will love. For this DIY lip paste, you'll need just 3 ingredients. 1 cube of sugar for gentle exfoliation, 1/2 teaspoon of honey to lock in moisture, and 1/2 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to soothe inflammation and heal cracks. That's it. Start by mixing the sugar and honey in a small bowl. Add the aloe vera gel and stir until it forms a smooth, slightly thick paste. Using your fingertip, gently massage the mixture onto your lips in circular motions for about 3 to 5 minutes. This helps remove dead skin while infusing moisture. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water and dab lips with a clean towel. Take a small amount of pure coconut oil or shea butter and gently apply it to your lips. Coconut oil locks in all the moisture from the exfoliation and healing process, keeping your lips soft, smooth, and protected throughout the day. Shea butter not only hydrates deeply, but also forms a protective barrier against harsh weather, ensuring your lips stay healthy, nourished, and irresistibly kissable. Just a thin layer is enough, and your lips will feel instantly rejuvenated. Feeling the difference? Soft, nourished, and perfect lips. Give this treatment a try 3 times a week and fall in love with your lips all over again. Stay hydrated by drinking water. Avoid licking lips or using harsh flavored products. Try this simple DIY today and say goodbye to dry, cracked lips for good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural beauty tips.